went to Space Mountain, so we're gonna try to go meet up with them there because that was like a 15-minute wait. It was actually 35, but it felt like 15 minutes. So the boys were in like the middle of the line inside, so we decided not to go on it. We're going on the Buzz Lightyear ride and then going into the stores. So just kind of just wasting time right now. Update, not doing Buzz Lightyear anymore. We're doing Carousel Progress and then we're going into the store.
And we can travel by train from New York to California in less than 7 days. And I even hear tell about two brothers from North Carolina who are working on some kind of flying contraption. It'll never work.
Give him a left, you big lord.
Ah, yes, a new age of electronic civilization is upon us.
Heart.
And when it becomes a reality,
It's a dream come true for you and me.
so there's a great big beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.
There's a great big beautiful tomorrow.
Just a dream away.
Hey everybody, I'm done programming our new voice activation system.
Now all our household items will do anything we tell them to do.
Great. Tell the refrigerator to bring me a root beer.
Well, it can't quite do that. But I'll show you something it can do. Tree lights 30% brighter.
Oh, that's no big deal. Anybody can do that voice activated stuff. Watch it. Robert, speak.
John, the oven should
As we're all here and happy and together for the holidays, who cares if I burned our Christmas turkey?
I do. I'm starving.
Don't worry, Dad. Someday, everything's going to be so automated, you won't ever have to cook another Christmas turkey again.
There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, and tomorrow's just a dream away. Man has a dream and that's the start. He follows his dream with mind and heart. And when it becomes a reality, it's a dream come true.
Look at all the fun merchandise. We are now shopping for ears. We got the corn dog nuggets with some water and fries. There is a cavalcade with all the Winnie the Pooh characters. Poor Tigger, he has to walk. In Disney, you can eat on this grass area instead of like the table, so you can have like a picnic kind of. So yeah, we did that for lunch, and then we just watched that Princess Cavalcade go by. The next ride we're going on is Pirates of the Caribbean, right when the boys get back to us. If that's even gonna happen. We have an hour and 5 minutes to wait in this queue. We have to leave at 4 to get to Disney Springs for our dinner reservation.
Think you can fit in there?
Oh, definitely.
Definitely not.
Oh yeah? That looks pretty easy to fit through. That was only a 6-minute line. Like, Disney's lying so much.
I'm getting a Mickey out today.
Okay, then we can get a big cat.
It's the treasure map for sure and no mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never lay eyes on it, nor this here.
one more time. As we haven't stopped yet. We're just still walking. We're already here again. It's not 55-minute wait. It should be like a 10-minute wait. Not even, like 5.
Next ride, can you guess what it is? Good guess. Good guess.
We got front. No, I don't want that. Wait, what?
Oh, you scurvy scoundrels. Do I hear
So wait.
Now we're going to the Emporium to get Jack a Mickey Head ice cream bar, and then we're going to go down to Disney Springs for dinner. There is a cavalcade coming right down Main Street right now, and I think we're probably going to miss it. We're going on a Saratoga bus, and then we're going to Disney Springs. So I don't know really the situation right now. We got here, and our bus is literally right here. Awesome.
Make sure everything's in.
Let's go. Thank you. We just got back to the resort, and then at 5 o'clock, the boys and I are gonna go take the bus while everybody else walks to Disney Springs. Jack left us to go on the walk with all the family, so it's just gonna be Jake and I on the bus to Disney Springs. We don't know where the Raglan Road is, but
I think I do.
okay.
I think I remember.
We'll
figure
get there. Yeah, we'll get there. We always pick these backs. We were so scared for a second that we were not going to be at Disney Springs. But we made it. We have like 20 minutes. We have to
We're good. We're good.
It should be good. We found Ribbon One. See, Jack? We made it.
Bro, I won a race. We raced Grandma and Papa, and I literally caught in front of Mom the last second.
Wow.
It was whoever crossed the bridge first, and on the bridge, with 10 feet to go, I caught in front of her.
Nice.
Wait, what happened? Bo Al. For life. Jay, you did severe damage.
We finished dinner.
Full.
From that burger from lunch.
It didn't sit well.